Guys, I am super excited. I am ready to show you guys our newest product, our Synergy Gel Precision Applicator. We're gonna go through the features, the benefits. I'm gonna show you why this is so unique and why it's gonna save you so much time. You guys are going to love it. Let's show you what makes this so unique. And that is the Precision Applicator. This nozzle right here is going to save you so much time. It's gonna make doing gels so much easier. If you have struggled with gels, you're not gonna struggle anymore. Let me explain the difference in this application. When you have a nozzle, you are able to squeeze out the perfect amount of gel. And not only are you able to do that, but you're able to guide it exactly where you need the product to go. When I don't need any more product, I quit squeezing the tube and just guide it along with that nozzle. Once I need more product, I push again. No need to go back to a pot and pick it back up. All your gel is right at your fingertips. Guide it all the way down with that nozzle. It makes application so easy. Let me tell you why we came up with something like this. For me personally, I struggled with gels because I could not get that float down. I always wanted to put pressure, just like I was applying acrylic, I wanted to put pressure with that brush. You can't do that with gel. With gel, you have to float. I couldn't get that figured out. So I finally was taught to use the back of my gel brush. What did this do? This forced me to float the product. So now we have this applicator, and that's going to do the exact same thing. There's no bouncing, there's no pushing hard because there's no brush. You have to guide it. You have to lift up on that gel, and as you lift up, that just floats the product exactly to where you want it. This is not only going to make it so much easier to create body and upper arch, but it's also going to make it super easy to create your smile lines for French. Let's talk about a feature that I actually love. It may seem simple to you guys, but it does serve a purpose, and that is actually the stand or the cap itself. So as you're applying product, if you need to put the product down, you're not going to leave it on its side. You're actually going to put it back on its stand. This is going to keep the gel toward the bottom, toward the nozzle, so it's ready to use each time. Once you're done, you can screw it back on. This cap keeps it nice and sealed so there is no gel leaking out. And again, it's always going to keep it prime and ready for each use. Okay, to start with, we launched with 4 different gels, and I want to explain to you what you'll use each one for. We're going to start with our clear sculptor. You're going to be using it for sculpting out the free edge. You're going to use it for your glitter mixes. You're going to use it for encapsulating your nail art and getting that strength and structure to the nail, and this clear is super, super clear. Okay, so we're going to grab our concealer pink and our concealer peach next. These both have the same consistency. The difference is your color. You're gonna be using them for your nude sets. You're gonna use them for your pink and whites. We have a cooler pink, which is your concealer pink, and we have our warmer pink, which is your concealer peach. So here, the difference is your color preference. Okay, so finally we have our white sculptor. And of course, our white sculptor is gonna be used for our Frenches or our ombres, anything that you need to use white for, you're gonna use the white sculptor. Now you're gonna notice something different about this white sculptor. For me, white has always been difficult. This white sculptor has this really great consistency. It has a thickness, that way it doesn't run everywhere, but it has a self-leveling property that makes it super easy to glide that French into place. Again, guys, we are super excited to be launching these tube gels. They are going to make your life so much easier. I promise, if you have struggled with gels and you've given up on gels and you're an acrylic user, you're going to find this super, super easy. These 4 builder gels along with our base gel, you always want to use a base gel when you're doing this. Of course, prep and base is so vital. That base gel along with these 4 builder gels are going to not only increase your speed, it is going to make you a ton of money.